So this is my Pavoni Europiccola from 1995. So it's a pre-mill 49mm basket. It's got a EMS 20 gram basket and a EMS filter here as well. It's got the heat sink, the temperature strip, I don't know what this is called, I will put it in the description. Then this tube protector. Yeah, so I thought I would share this with you because I had trouble finding it myself when I bought it. So I have this one, the thumb through funnel from, what is it, coffee sensor. So yeah, this is basically how I make the espressos. It's 18 grams. It's this coffee. Yeah. I ground it with this grinder. I forgot which the name is. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, Vienna. Okay, so what I usually do is I install my portafilter like this. Then I start pumping it until the sticker reaches around 90 degrees. And this is possible, this pumping, because of this black piece. See, even if I would remove it now, it's still dry, as you can see. So you can actually pump the water in and out to heat up the group head. As you can see, it's reaching 90 now. So I put it back. That was just to show you. Yeah. So it's at 90 now. Put a little cup here. Keep it at 90. Okay. It's 95 now, so I let it cool down a little bit. Now I open it up. Then I give it some time, 10 seconds. I count usually. And that should be 10. Okay. Then I put a pressure of 9 bar. There you have it. A lot of crema, as you can see.